Linux Mint 22 officially released. Here's what's new. Linux Mint 22, codenamed Wilma, has officially landed, bringing a host of exciting updates and improvements to the table. Built on the solid foundation of Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, this release inherits numerous updates to its core libraries, tools, and technologies, ensuring a robust and modern desktop experience. This update introduces a new Linux kernel, an updated suite of graphics drivers, and a refreshed version of the Cinnamon desktop. Notable changes include enhanced security settings, such as disabling guest login by default, and a redesigned approach to applications, themes, and translations. In this video, we'll explore everything new in Linux Mint 22, from system upgrades and key features to how you can download or upgrade to this latest version. Let's dive in. What's new in Linux Mint 22? Linux Mint 22 is based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, providing access to newer versions of software, tools, and packages. As an LTS release, it will receive updates and support until 2029, giving users long-term stability without the need for frequent upgrades. Under the hood, Linux Mint 22 runs on the Linux 6.8 kernel. Unlike previous versions, new kernel updates will now be rolled out every 6 months through the Ubuntu Hardware Enablement HWE stack. Audio performance gets a major boost with Pipewire as the default sound server, replacing Pulse Audio. This change delivers lower latency, improved performance, and better Bluetooth device compatibility. Additionally, unused language packs are automatically removed during installation, saving disk space. Other highlights include optimized translations for smaller disk usage, updated GTK4 compatible themes, new desktop backgrounds, improved high DPI support for the Plymouth boot screen and login manager. A faster shutdown timeout now reduced to just 10 seconds. Cinnamon Desktop 6.2 updates. The Cinnamon 6.2 desktop powers this release, bringing subtle yet impactful improvements. The Nemo file manager now offers enhanced customization with a new Actions layout editor. The corner bar applet provides more flexibility, letting you customize what happens when clicking with modifier keys. The workspace switcher now allows you to easily remove a workspace with a simple middle click. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.